Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a common issue many of you might face with your KPLC prepaid meters. If you are struggling to update your token meter, this video is for you. KPLC prepaid meter require regular update to ensure uninterrupted power supply. However, many users encounter difficulties when trying to update their meters. This can lead to issue with token acceptance resulting in power outrage. To update your KPLC token meter, you will need to follow a simple process. First, purchase token using the KPLC pay bill number. After the purchase, you will receive three important codes via SMS: a reset code, an update code, and a token code. Step-by-step instructions how you can update your meters. Purchase token, use the KPLC pay bills number to buy token. You will receive the number codes by SMS. Enter reset code, input the 20-digit reset code into your meter and press OK. The meter will confirm the reset. Enter update code. Next, enter the 20-digit update code and press OK. The meter will confirm the update. Enter token code. Finally, input the token code to complete the update process. And that's it. Your KPLC token meter should now be updated and ready to accept new token. If you encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and reach out to KPLC customer support. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.